Tired of the same old design tips? So let's check it up. Here are 5 unique hacks designers use to make a home look elevated, personal, and unforgettable. So, welcome back to the Dream Home Studio. I am Pratima and I love giving you a design secrets that go way deeper than pens and pillows. Number 1. Ceiling accent. Most people decorate walls and floors but forget the ceiling. A bold paint color, wallpaper, or wood detail instantly makes the room feel designer made. Number 2. Oversized art in small spaces. Instead of cluttering walls with little frames, go for one large piece of art. Big art in a small room feels intentional, bold, and modern. Number 3. Zone with rocks. Open layouts can feel little confusing. Use rocks to define zones, like separating dining from living without needing walls or dividers. Number 4. Mirror magic. Place a mirror opposite a window to double the natural light and make your room feel twice as open. It's like an instant space upgrade. Number 5. Borrow from nature. Bring in branches, dried grasses, or even stone as decor. It's free, sustainable, and instantly connects your space with the outdoors. These hacks aren't about spending more, they are about thinking differently, and sometimes that's all you need to create a home that feels extraordinary. So if you enjoy this, give this video a like, share it with a friend who is stuck with the same old design ideas, and tell me in the comment box which of this hack would you try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more fresh design secrets. Bye for now.